Hello lovelies, welcome back to Ify Lifestyle, where we talk about everything fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, welcome. My name is Ifoma and I'm glad to have you. So be sure to subscribe because I would love for you to stay here. I have a new video for you guys today and it's a Walmart haul, and Walmart is just doing something this fall, and I don't know if you see my previous Walmart video. I had mentioned that I will be doing Walmart haul in the month of August because Walmart have a lot of goodies. So, and I want you to be able to buy some of these things. So that is why I am trying to bring this video as fast as I can, and all the links will be in the description box. So let's get into the video. The first item that I have is, of course, this gorgeous dress that I have on. They are calling it the striped mini sweater dress on their website, and it comes in size extra small all the way to extra large. I am wearing mine in a size medium, and this dress is a sleeveless dress. This dress reminds me, I don't know if it's a Loewe dress. It's some kind of designer dress. If I can find it, I will insert the picture somewhere here so that you can see. Walmart came with their own brand of this designer too, and I'm just loving this dress is so chic. The only thing, some of you may not like the length of this dress because it is a mini dress. It comes in this color, it comes in black, and it comes in red, and I think it comes in purple. I got it in this color and I also got it in black. In the styling part of this video, first I styled it like this with my Mary Jane heels, and I'm carrying a white handbag. Then I added a blazer because I think it will look so gorgeous on a blazer. It is something you can actually wear to work if your workplace allows this kind of, you know, short dresses. But for me, I will not wear it to work. I'll wear it round about town. I will just wear it for, like, you know, lunch. When can you even wear this? I think it's something you can also wear for date night too. Me, I'll wear it for date night because of the length. I just love this dress though. It's so girly, you know. Like I said, I also bought it in the black. I went ahead and I styled the black one with a black knee-high boots, and just because it's so black, I decided to add a red handbag just for a pop of color. And you guys know red is also one of the colors that is trending for this fall and winter, so, and I love red, so it was just appropriate for me to add a little pop of color. So this dress I would definitely wear for drinks, I will wear for dinner, and I don't even know, I bought black, and I bought the black and I bought this, and help me make a decision which one look best on me, which one should I keep. Leave your comments in the comment section. On to the next item. So the next item I have is this cream sweater dress from the brand Free Assembly. Oh my god. I just love the brand Free Assembly from Walmart. I know they are into minimalism, but man, they kind of add some extra things on the fabrics just to make it pop. Just look at the texture of this dress, look at the neckline. It's just giving something. And in the styling part of this video, I styled it with my knee-high boot in the same color, and I'm carrying a bag in the same color. I just wanted to make it a monochrome look, and I went ahead, I also added a trench coat. This is a dress that you can get your money's worth. There are so many ways you can style it. You can wear a motor jacket on this, you can wear a trench coat, you can wear a coat, you can wear a blazer on this, you can wear sneakers with this, you can wear heels, you can wear loafers. Oh my god, you can wear booties. I just love this dress. On to the next item. The next item I have is this Free Assembly pleated short skirt with that comes in a set. It is sold separately, but it's a set. It also have a blazer. I just wanted to give this a try. I love the blazer. I'm not sure about the skirt because it is so short. but one with the blazer, I think it is not so short, but I will also say it would not look so short with a knee-high boots, and maybe with a ballet flat, or maybe like those Mary Jane heels that are trending right now. It will not look so short, but I feel like it will look even shorter if you wear like high heels on this. Even though I'm going to wear high heels on it. Because why not? So in the styling part of this video, first I styled it as a set, and I added like a light beige top underneath the blazer, and that is an old top that I got from H&M, and I went ahead and I styled it with my Mary Jane heels. I just like this look. It is like work appropriate. It's just giving like quiet luxury, old money vibes. Which is what I like about this set. Because it's a set, you can wear them separately. In the next styling video, I went ahead, I styled the blazer with a white t-shirt, and I added a denim pants that I also got from Free Assembly, and I went ahead, I added my loafers, and I'm carrying a black handbag. This one is a casual look you can wear to work. You can also style this blazer with a black pants, and you can also wear like, I think maybe like a beige pants on this if you have that. So there are several ways that you can style this look. And the skirt, I went ahead, I styled with my beige or cream blouse that I got from the brand Scoop, and that's just another way that you can style this. I added some black heels, and I'm carrying a black handbag, and this is just a simple look that if you are a boss babe, you can wear to work, and I just think it's very nice, but it might not be for everybody. On to the next item. The next item I have is this tweed jacket that I got from the brand Free Assembly. Look at the buttons in this jacket. It just makes it stand out. Like I said, Walmart came out with a lot of like designer dupe. This jacket is just giving Chanel vibes, and it's come in the color navy blue. I think it also come like in a light blue, and it ranges from size extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in a size medium. In the styling part of this video, I just kept it simple. I styled my blue denim from Free Assembly, and next I went ahead, I styled it with a black pants, and I'm carrying my Zac Posen navy blue bag, and I added like my Michael Kors navy blue heels. I just wanted to bring out the navy blue in this tweed jacket. This is something you can wear to work. You can also style this jacket on your dresses. You can style it with on a skirt, which is what I like about it. Of course, you can also style it with a dress pant like I did in the styling part, and this is something you can wear to church when it's cold. This is just something you can wear for like maybe if you're going out at night. If you're wearing a dress, you can just throw this over your shoulder. It will look so chic, and this is what I like about it. So on to the next item. Next item I have is this beige sweater that I got from the brand Free Assembly. It has like some kind of color blocking. I think that color is like, is it like rusty brown, and it looks like black, but I think it's dark navy blue. So I just love this sweater. It's just giving that old money vibes, quiet luxury look. I just love it. In the styling part of this video, I really kept it simple by just wearing my black pants, and I'm wearing some black heels, and I'm also wearing carrying a black bag. This is something you can wear to work. This sweater you can also wear with like satin skirt or slip skirt if you have that. I just love this minimum look that Free Assembly is just bringing out. So on to the next item. The next item I have is this satin dress from the brand Scoop. It's in black, it comes in olive green, and it comes in this rust. I don't know what is the name of this color. It almost looks like brand or rust brand. I don't know, but to my eyes it looked more like gold. Not so gold, but you know, you have the shade is just let me look up the name. So on the website, they are calling this color Bister, I don't know what that means. But it looks like kind of rust brown or almost like gold to me. And it has a crew neck, which I just like. That crew neck style is on the neck and it's also on the sleeves, just like almost what I have on right now. And it has a slit on the side. Comes in extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in the medium. I would say this dress run through to size, so it's a little bit small on my chest area. I wish I'd gotten a large, and so I would say maybe you should size up on this particular dress. It's such a beautiful dress. I was almost tempted to get it in black, but I have so many black outfits that I physically had to pull myself back from getting it in black. That's why I got it in this color. And in the styling part of this video, I went ahead, I just styled it with my gold accessory. I was kind of dressing it up, and then went ahead and added that free assembly blazer. And this is how you can wear this dress to work. You can also wear a cardigan on this. You can also make it casual and wear a t-shirt and just tie it on the side with a sneakers. This dress has so many possibilities, which is what I like about it. Let me know in the comment section if you like the two ways that I styled it. So lovelies, that will be all for this video. I hope you like the way that I styled this item. Like I said, these things are selling out fast on Walmart's website. I hope they will restock because it's still early fall, but man, Walmart is just selling out so fast. I will leave all the link in the description box, so let me know in the comment section if you are loving this outfits that Walmart is bringing out, and if you were able to purchase some of them. And please do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also turn on your notification, and please don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you. And check me out on my social media and YouTube short to see how I am styling these items. And thank you so much for being here today with me. I really appreciate it. Until my next video, take care of yourself. I will see you all. Bye. Bye bye.